Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, where I'm going to use the block cut file. And my daughter loves to build Legos, and on our dining room table, that's where she tends to put all of her Legos so that Asher, our puppy, doesn't get them, obviously, because he eats them and all that stuff. So I am just, full disclosure, I am sorry about my voice. My allergies are on high alert, and it's just like I have done this voiceover 4 different times, and I've tried to get my voice to sound a little bit better, but it just doesn't. So I am using the block, and what I did is that I got out the Fernwood collection from Vicky Booten. It's her new one before the other one that has come out, or that's going to come out here soon. And I decided that that's what I'm going to use for my papers. And so I backed the Legos. I made the Legos in smaller, different sizes. So the first bigger 2 set is 3.5, I think, by 3.5 or whatever it came out to be. And then the other ones are 2. And I wanted to build this like wall and then have the other 2, the Lego guy and my picture, kind of sit on top of them. So that is what I am doing there. I am so sorry for my voice. It's cutting in and out, and I'm sorry about that. But make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop. And I think probably what's going to be best is that you guys are used to how I do my layouts, that I think I'm going to play some music and go that route. But I just wanted to make sure that you guys go check out everybody. We are going to have an amazing thing starting on the 5th of March. And for all of us, it is her birthday month for the shop. So there is discounts and all of that stuff. It's automatically applied when you put in the cut files in her shop. And my title is going to be Everyday Moments right here, or Everyday Life right here, or Life Moments, something like that. And that's what my title is going to be. Oh, Everyday Life right here. That's what it is. And so that is what I am doing for my title. And then the rest of it's all embellishments. So make sure that you go like and subscribe to the channel. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.